First, let's do the science lesson.
Okay.
Describe a science that you had in school or university, such as biology, chemistry, or physics.
Pardon?
Can you describe a science class that you had when you were in school, such as biology, chemistry, or physics?
Yes, we have science class.
And what do you do in biology class?
We do some, we watch some videos or films about science.
You watch videos about science?
Yes.
And what have you learned about biology? Get rid of that one.
Pardon?
What have you learned about biology in that class through the videos that you're watching?
The teacher just teach us some science things from the videos.
Do you learn about cells in that class?
No, we just do some easy.
Easy stuff. Okay. When did you attend these lessons? These classes. When do you go to those classes?
We have science classes on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday. What time do you have those classes on Tuesday and Wednesday?
In school it's about 10 a.m.
Okay. And how long are you in class? When do you finish?
About half an hour.
Oh, only 30 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. And you attend these lessons in school?
Pardon?
The class is you take the class at school?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And what's the name of your school?
It don't have an English name.
What is it in Chinese?
I just type it. Okay.
So you watch videos in all of your classes, not just science.
No, we watch videos just about 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
In what are some other classes that you take? Do you
We have Chinese classes, math class, and English classes.
do you watch videos in those classes also?
No.
No. So your teacher just teaches in those classes.
Yes.
No videos. So which do you like better? Do you like the videos or do you like the teacher teaching?
Both of them.
Both? Well, what do you like the most about the way that your science class is taught with the videos?
I just think it's fun. I think it's easy to learn things on videos.
Do they the videos that you watch, are they on the internet, or does she already, are they on a DVD?
I don't know, maybe on internet.
On internet, so she uses her computer.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Speaking of science lesson, okay. Can you tell me about one of your recent biology sessions that you had? Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have the science lesson sheet that has the answers on them?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Will you read to me the first answer?
Okay. Speaking of science lesson I had in secondary school, I think of a biology lesson.
Mm-hmm. And like I asked you before, is there a particular lesson in biology that you like the best?
Pardon?
Is there something you have learned in biology, in your biology class, that you like the best? That is your favorite?
Yes.
And what would that be? Did you learn about plants,
Yes.
or animals, or people? What did you like best, and why did you like it best?
I think I like plant best because I think that in that class teacher teaches very well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I understand it very well.
So what about plants do you like so much?
What's the meaning?
You liked the lesson about plants.
Yes.
What did you learn about plants in that lesson?
I learned many things, but I can't speak it in English.
Okay, okay. All right, let's go ahead and read the second answer.
Okay. I started to be very interested in plants and animals when I was quite younger, about 3 or 4. I really like
I,
how to.
I recall that my father
I recall that my father bought me a magnifier, and then I used it to observe the small insects like ants and butterflies. How to read the
Yeah.
ETC.
ETC is an abbreviation. Do you know what an abbreviation is?
Yes, it
Okay.
means a word being
It's right. That's correct. ETC is an abbreviation for etc. So, yes, in this sentence, he says, my father bought me a magnifier, and then I used it to observe the small insects like ants and butterflies, etc. So, other small insects. Ants, butterflies, maybe bees, maybe mosquitoes, gnats, other small insects. So that's what.
like ants and butterflies, extra.
Etc.
Etc.
Yes.
Etc. So when I fascinated by the experiment in the lab.
Good. Very good. How old are you, Kevin?
I'm 12.
12. Wow. You do very good. It looks like we may have lost video again. Oh, it's trying to come back. Go ahead and let's read the third answer, Kevin.
I guess the most memorable lesson was an experiment to observe our whole cheek cell in a large lab in our school. We took a sample of cheek cells from ourselves using a toothpick, put a stain on the slide along with the cheek cells, and observed how to read them.
Nucleus.
And observed the nucleus and
That's
cell membrane under a microscope. We found that the cells were irregular in shape, unlike the rectangular shape
good.
of an onion we observed in another lesson before, because they didn't have rigid cell walls
Good.
and other plant structures, such as how to read this word,
Chloroplasts.
such as chloroplasts and large central vacuole were also absent.
Very good. Have you, in your biology class, have you seen anything like this before?
No.
No? Okay. That's really cool. When you get further in biology and you start looking at cells under a microscope, that is really, really cool to see what they talk about there. The cells of your cheek versus excuse me, the cells of an onion, for instance. It's really cool to see that. Let's say a couple of the words in that answer. Nucleus. Nucleus.
Or nucleus.
Good. Rectangular.
Rectangular.
Rigid. Rigid. And you know what rigid means? The definition? Rigid means not flexible. My pen is rigid. It is not flexible. Okay? This paper, my pen is rigid. It is not flexible. This paper is not rigid. It is flexible. So rigid is hard. So what they're saying is the onion did not have rigid walls. I think, hold on, we found the cell regular shape one. So, yeah, rigid, hard. All right, good. Go ahead and read the fourth answer for me.
The experience of seeing my own cells were really special, interesting, and somewhat choking. I loved it.
Very good, very good.